All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to work the toggles on your DJI Mini 2 controller. First of all, when you want to take off, what you're going to do is you're going to pull both of these toggles to the center like that, and then your drone should respond. And then when you're ready to take off and you've done your pre-flight and all that stuff, for the drone to ascend or rise, you're going to press the left toggle forward like this, and it will continue to climb to the level that you've set the altitude at, or it'll just climb as far as it wants to go. If you want to bring it down, what you do is you pull this toggle backwards, left toggle, and then the drone will descend. Now, if you want the drone to spin in a circle in a stationary position, you can go to the left first by pulling it this way. And what I mean by that, it's going to go counterclockwise. And as long as you hold this, the drone will spin. Now, the more you pull it, the faster it spins. So if you want to spin it slower, you just move it just slightly. Now, let's say you want to go clockwise. If you push it, it spins fast by pushing it to the right or your right. And then if you want to slow it down, you can just push it a little bit, and then you get a little bit slower rotation. The reason I say that is because when you do this, you don't get a really good clear video when you push it all the way. So I would recommend a slower movement by just pushing it slightly, which will give you a much smoother and much clearer video capture. All right, now this one here, the right side, for you to move the drone forward, you press it forward. If you want the drone to come backwards, you pull it backwards. All right, if you want it to go to the left, you push it to the left. And remember, this is the left of where the camera's facing, or its point of view. If you want to go to the right, you push it to the right. And you can do the same thing with this, a slower motion on each side and slower motions forward, okay? But that's the basics of how to use these toggles. Now, on the back, you're going to see there's this little wheel here. This controls your gimbal. So if you push it to the right or the left, it's going to change the attitude of the camera. It's going to point down or it's going to point higher. So if you want to shoot straight down, you may pull it to the right, or you may push it to the left if you want to shoot out to the horizon. And then on this side of the controller is your video and pictures. But when you press this, it starts the videotape, and it will videotape whatever you're shooting from the camera on the drone. And those are basically the controls of this. This right here, you can change the speed. I have it set on slow. There's normal, and then that's fast. So depending on your expertise, you're going to probably start off with slow, which I think is the smartest way to go. And that's the basics of the DJI controller toggles. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on things like this. Peace out.